A for apple. A for ant. B for bat. B for book. C for cat. C for cap. D for dog. D for doll. E for egg. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fan. G for gun. G for gift. H for hen. H for house. I for igloo. And I for ink. Very good. J for jug. J for jump. K for king. K for kite. L for lion. And L for lamb. M for monkey. M for moon. N for net. N for nib. O for ox. O for one. P for pig. P for push. Q for quiet. Q for queen. Well done. R for rat. And R for rose. S for sun. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for towel. U for UFO. U for umbrella. V for vase. And V for van. W for walk. W for well. X for Cyrus. X for X-ray. Y for yak. And Y for yarn. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Well done.
Keep learning with Samina Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe.